How to list Chocolatey packages already installed and newer version available from the command line. I have the following packages installed with Chocolatey. Choco list local only. One week later, the GIMP package updated to 2.9 and the GIMP package is updated to 1.9.6 on the chocolatey.org website, but other packages are not updated. Two weeks later, I need to run a command in CMD to show the following result. What is the good way to compose such command? Or if there is a command option built into Chocolatey itself, what it would be?
Note, you likely need to do the following commands in an administrative CMD/PowerShell prompt. If you have Choco 0.9.9.6+, you can use the outdated command. If you have 0.9.9 plus installed. If you have version 0.9.8.33 or below installed. Following that, if you actually want to upgrade, you can follow with. Note, Y will only work with 0.9.8.33 plus.
Just run the case, and Choco said I should use this. That did the trick for me, so here to see from me.
Addition from Advent Coder. Choco version all will result you a warning of deprecation notice. Choco version command is deprecated and will be removed in version 1.0.0. Please use Choco upgrade quick name Noop instead. So it mean you should learn that it might not support the version command anymore. Sure that you need to upgrade your Chocolatey version to 0.9.9 plus or latest. By the command, Choco upgrade Chocolatey. And then call couple Y to install all upgrade to your system.
Use CVR. The quickest way if you want to find only the local packages installed is to issue the following command to a DOS prompt. Or even easier to remember and type. This avoids unnecessary querying.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.